income, every person, every commercial organization, every government, every organization wants to earn income. The income should have some good characteristics so that the income flows continuously. Let us see what are the good characteristics of income. How should be the income flow to have perpetual income and regularity of income. So there are some of the characters which needs to be fulfilled to have a perfect income and strong wealth and better future, secured future. So the income should have source which is regular. Maybe regular means interest income or rental income or salary income or regular sources of income. So every income should have source of income, regularity of income. It is not necessary that every businessman will earn the same income regularly. Of course, every business is carried on with some risk. Risk carries reward. So there is no regularity of income for a businessman or for an entrepreneur or for investor. Whereas there is a possibility of regular income for investments in loans and properties, investment in loans and rents and properties, and employment as salary. So there should be a regularity of income. And also another character required is additional income opportunity. We have seen there are some commercial organizations which offer more income, additional income to the employees who achieved their targets prescribed by the management. Suppose a worker completes his production with less time and less material, the management will reward him additional allowance, that is additional income. Every source of income should have an opportunity to earn additionally by showing the expertness or experience or perfection in implementation work undertaken. One more quality required is productivity. Productivity is nothing but the incremental income with the same expenditure of resources or time. Means if the worker can produce 10 units same time and with same material, if he increases his production by 12 items with the same time and with the same material, the productivity is improved by 20%. So commercial organization will get benefit of higher productivity of the workers' efforts, and there will be a possibility of higher remuneration or higher allowance or promotion or reward to the worker. So the productivity also treated when the same quantity is produced in lesser time with lesser material with the same quality, that is also called productivity. Productivity is nothing but reducing the cost of material and time or increasing the quantity of production inputs and in less time. And one more source of income, the character of opportunity is required is creativity. So there should be an opportunity to get reward in the form of allowance or profits or share of profits for showing the creativity. There should be an opportunity every employee to enlarge, to extend, to enhance the income opportunities, implementing his creativity in undertaking work or employment. Another character, the creativity will make the things in the products in a better way, better uses or better efficiency. So that will increase the performance or efficiency of the product with the innovation or creativity of the worker. So that creativity is also, there should be an opportunity of expressing or exhibiting the creativity in source of income. One more thing required is planning. There is a saying that plan to fail, fail to plan. So every activity requires some sort of planning. Maybe the time, maybe the material, maybe the team to be involved. All these things requires, all the resources should be mobilized and put into use with better planning to get higher productivity or higher quality or higher quantity in lesser time. So that is, planning is required for every implementation of every activity. Maybe in personally also, of course it may require less concentration, But when it comes to the commercial level or manufacturing level, it requires cooperation or coordination with many of the people, materials, time functions and creativity of other sectors, so that there should be an opportunity of planning in earning the source of income and implementation. This implementation, every person who is earning income will have some idea of planning, and that planning is possible to implement in doing his work or in performing his duties. So the implementation opportunities should be there to the implementation with perfection based on planning, creativity for higher productivity will give better result and better output and results and rewards to the person who is undertaking the work. So the implementation possibility should be there to earn a source of income. Next one opportunity required is cost reduction. So every source of income should have characteristic of possibility of cost reduction. Suppose an activity can be done with 100 rupees, there should be a possibility to reduce the cost by 5%, means the same thing is done with 95 rupees. Same thing can be done with 90 rupees, that is 10% cost reduction. So there should be a possibility of cost reduction so that the employees' efforts will benefit the commercial organization. Another characteristic required is time saving. All these are related to productivity of the activity concerned or undertaken by the person. Time saving will reduce time required and will enhance the quantity production opportunities. That will reduce the cost, human cost and the goods produced. So that will increase the productivity of the person and the productivity of the time and goods produced. That will lead to high profits to the organization. Another required is more usages. The source should have an opportunity to have more usages. It means the same source of income or the source of material or time should have an opportunity to go for alternative usages, so that the time consumed will be reduced and material consumed will be reduced, or the material produced will be increased, so that the alternative usages of time, material will increase the production or may increase the quality or reduce the cost. That will lead to high profits. Another source of income characteristic required is sharing views. And to improve the productivity or to improve the income or to improve the quality, every person requires advice of some experts, maybe consultants or maybe creativity heads or planners or outside agencies to provide their services, so that the person carrying on the activity can share his views with the expert consultant or professional to increase his productivity and quality, to reduce the cost and to reduce the time consumed to produce the quantity as prescribed. And one more possibility required, characteristic required for income is usage of other possibilities. Means every income or every source should have the possibility for other usages, other possibilities, alternative methods, alternative techniques, alternative persons, alternative products, alternative time consumer. All these things leads to good source of income and also improvement of income and good reward recognition to the person who undertakes the assignment. That should be the basic concept for increasing the income of an employer or entrepreneur or an employee or a self-employee or any person, so that the income is improved of every person, his opportunities are increased or his efficiency is exhibited and proved and used for higher income.